Hello everyone. Before proceeding with our course, I have, as you can see, a gift for you. Okay, the thing which we are going to discuss now is actually not discussed in the book, but it is a very essential and very important thing that you must know, and which will help you further. Further means in class 6, 7, 8. Okay, the small thing only, small thing which you will be in need, okay, which will help you a lot. So this is actually a gift from my side. Okay, so you will find it interesting also. And the gift is, yes, short division trick. Okay, all the time we have been doing division in the long method, isn't it? It takes a lot of space. But what if I tell you that you can do division in only one line or two line, max to max? Okay, in small space only you can perform the whole division, no matter how long it is, no matter how long number given. Okay, what I'm going to teach you now, with that method you can divide a number in a very small space. Okay, that is called short division trick, and this thing you will be required in further topics of this lesson. Okay, so let's start. Say for example, you are about to divide 24 by 2. Okay, so in our long division method, what we do, we take 24 here, we write 2 here, 2 ones are 2, 0, then comes 4, 2 twos are 4, remainder 0, we cross it. This is our general long division process which you all know. But in our short division, what we will do, we'll take 24 here, and rather than giving it like this, we give it like this. Okay, that makes it short. And if you have to divide with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 12 is the answer. See how easy it is. Okay, now if we want to divide, say 32 by 2, what we will do, we'll divide 3 first. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 is greater than 3, so we'll take 2 ones are 2. Imagine 2 here. Okay, imagine 2 here, no need to write. 3 minus 2 will be 1, that remainder 1 you imagine here. It becomes what, 12. So 2 6 are 12. Have you got my point? 2 ones are 2, so 3 minus 2 will be 1, that 1 you imagine here. Okay, so it becomes 12. So 2 6 are 12. In this way you do. Suppose we are given 60 and you have to divide with 5. Okay, then what we will do, 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5 will be 1, 1 we imagine here, it becomes 10, 5 twos are 10. See how easy it is. Okay, have you understood? Then if you divide say 36 by 3, what we will do, 3 ones are 3, it's done, 3 twos are 6, answer is 12. In this case answer was 16, in this case answer was 12, in this case also answer was 12. Okay, now questions may come, what if we have remainder? In all these cases remainder was 0. Suppose we have a number 65 and we are to divide it with 4. Try to understand. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 is more than 6, so we cannot take 4 twos are 8, so we'll take 4 ones are 4, then 6 minus 4 is 2, we imagine 2 here, then it becomes 25. So again 4 ones are 4, up to we have 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, then 4 7s are 28, which is more than 25, so we'll take 4 6 are 24. Okay, 25 minus 24 is 1. So 24 to 25 is 1. So remainder is 1. What we have done here, 4 ones are 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, it becomes 25. Okay, then 4 6 are 24, 25 minus 24 is 1 we write here. All these things you have to do in mind. Okay, rather than pen and paper, you have to imagine the numbers here and there. Okay, if you can do it in mind, the calculation becomes a lot more easier. Okay, and it saves time also. It is a shorter method. Okay, so let's do another question of remainder. Let's take 63 and divide it by 5. Okay, so what we will do, we will divide for 6. So 5 ones are 5, so 6 minus 5 is 1. That one will put here, it becomes 13. You don't write this one, okay, you just imagine. I am writing here because I have to explain you now, you have to see. That is why, to make you understand, I am writing it here. So otherwise when you do, at first you write, but when you gradually practice, try not to write here. Okay, keep it in your mind, that will help you. Okay, that is why it is short division. So what we have done, 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. That one we have written here, and it becomes 13. Then again 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, which is greater than 13. So we cannot take 5 threes are 15. We take 5 twos are 10. So 13 minus 10 is 3. So remainder is 3. Quotient is 12. Remainder is 3. Okay. In all these cases, these are what? Quotient. This is quotient. This is quotient. This is also quotient. Okay. Quotient. In these cases, remainder was 0. Remainder was 0. Okay. So here our remainder is 3. Quotient is 12. Understood? Now if we have understood the concept, that is very much good. Okay, just take small numbers, keep dividing, practice, and it will be very helpful to you. Now let's do some fun. Okay, let's see how this short division saves us time and space. Okay, let's take a bigger number. 2 4 6 7 9. That's quite a big number. Okay, and we have to divide with, say, 3. Okay, so otherwise if you have done in long method, it would have taken a lot of space because it's a 5-digit number. But don't worry, with this short division trick you can end up the sum in this small place only, and it is super easy. So we cannot divide 2 by 3, we'll take 24. Generally this only happens now when we cannot divide one number, single number, we take two numbers. So 3 8s are 24 here, then 3 2s are 6. Okay, then 7 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. We cannot take 9. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. We imagine 1 here, it becomes 19. 3 6 are 18. So 19 minus 18 is remainder 1. 19 minus 18 is 1, which is our remainder, and this is our quotient. See, just see, it's so fun only. So long division we have done in so short space. Okay, so I hope you have liked the gift. Okay, and it will help you a lot. Although we are not required to carry out these long divisions in our this time class 5. Okay, but in future it will be very helpful to you. Okay, so hope you liked it. Thank you.